Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be fixing a little issue that I have with my window, which is it doesn't wanna go down. It goes up, but it's really difficult to go down. And what I wanna really talk about is that it's not all the time if you have a window issue that the window motor itself has failed. So it might be something as small as a switch. So let's talk about the panel right here. I already pulled it out. And as you can see, there are two switches, one obviously for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. They're actually slightly different in terms that one of them has a nice little LED, the driver's side, and the passenger side does not have an LED on it. So one of the ways to troubleshoot it will be to swap out the connectors in the back, basically unplug the driver's side and unplug the passenger side and swap them out to see if one of the switches is indeed out. If one of the switches is indeed out, technically the failure should move from one side of the window to the other window. However, that's not really that possible because this connector itself is keyed. That means that it has a small, this is the switch, it has a small little slot, so the driver's side cannot be plugged into the passenger side and vice versa. However, if I were to unplug this and carefully with a knife cut away that key, in theory, I could connect the passenger to the driver's side. This might also be a good trick to save money if I were to go to the junkyard and get a passenger side switch and use it for the driver's side by removing the key on the connector. Now, how does this come off? Well, it comes off very easily. Let me show you how it comes off. To remove this, I'm gonna gently pry on the front until the clip comes loose. Now that the front clip is loose, I'm gonna pry on the back. Here's what's on the back of the armrest. There are a clip here and another clip here and the front clip. To remove the switch, I'm gonna have to remove these two screws. Before I remove the screws, I'm gonna disconnect the connector by pressing on the tab and gently wiggling it out. And there it goes. Okay, let's get both of these screws off. Now we can pull the switch right off. The installation of the new switch is the reverse of the removal. I'm gonna drop it in its place. And then I'm gonna install both of the screws. I'm gentle tightening the screws. They're just going into plastic and doing it too much can strip them. Now, time to plug the connector back in and ensure it's locked in place. That's it. Now let's pop the armrest back into place. This is done. Well, that's it for this upload. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you did, hit thumbs up, subscribe. I got more SRT4 content coming up, and see you on the next one.